Hello sweethearts of the internet, I'm Raimi and I hope you're finding a little bit of peace in today. Either way, I'm really happy you're here. When I look at my life, I notice I'm either thinking about apartment decor or what I'm gonna eat next. So today's just gonna be a cozy Sunday of eating. It's gonna be pretty laid back. I usually just eat whatever my body tells me to, but I'm working on the part of intuitive eating where you're supposed to stop when you're full. Today's goal is to just be kind to my stomach. Since it's Sunday, let's go eat some breakfast and then head to the farmer's market. That's just like the cutest thing I could possibly think of. Like whoever invented the farmer's market, that was very cute of you. Rarely eat breakfast and this is so good. I know it's just box pancakes, but a little bit of cinnamon and milk and chocolate chips just make so much of a difference. And I think it's because the butter in the pan started browning, and brown butter has like a nuttier flavor, so it like made all the edges, I don't know, just like a depth of flavor, I guess. It just feels special. So I literally just took my vitamins and I thought the camera was filming, but it in fact was not. And I started taking my vitamins yesterday because my doctor gave me the best idea ever. She said to buy a pill organizer because I love cute things. So, and I love organizing. It's only been 2 days, but I think it's helping because I got this cute little like bubble organizer. This is my favorite thing in the world. My mom said it looks like eggs. Also, I got this new cup for $3 at Target yesterday, and look at how cute. Okay, let's change so we can go to the farmer's market because it literally closes at 2 and it's 12:54. Oh my god, it's 12:54 right now. We have to go. Surprise, surprise, this is my outfit for today. I know you've seen me wear this literally a gazillion times, and I'm just a big believer in re-wearing clothes that you really like. I don't know how to refer to myself, not like a cartoon character, but like cartoon characters have like their go-to outfits and they like wear the same thing all the time, and I feel like that's how I am. So don't ever feel bad about re-wearing clothes. It's better for the environment. I'm accessorizing with really adorable accessories because this video is sponsored by Pandora. So I'm gonna show you what I decided to accessorize with today. So Pandora just launched their new Pandora Me collection, and the pieces allow for so much creativity and styling options. This is how I adapted the pieces to match my outfit for today. It's a pretty chill day for me, so I decided to style my jewelry to like match that energy. And I put this little charm, it's a moon charm, it's blue and silver, on this beautiful pearl necklace that has this chain detail. And then to match that, I have the same chain that's right here, but in the bracelet version, and I put a little pearl smiley face charm and a tree charm that has like diamonds on it. It's literally adorable, and it's just so simple and like timeless. I love this so much. And then I just decided to keep the color scheme going, and I just added a simple blue ring and a silver ring that has little diamonds on it. It just felt like a really easy way to like elevate this super cozy look. I went pretty simple and dainty with my jewelry styling, but I love how this collection is so versatile that you can create whatever kind of energy you want to give off with it. There's literally so many charms, link additions, earrings, rings, bracelets, bracelets, necklaces, and absolutely no rules for how you're supposed to use them. It's super cool, and if you shop this collection, make sure to send me pics of how you styled your pieces. And yeah, let's go to the farmer's market. My version of Emily Mariko's salmon bowl that's been going around, and I've been obsessed with this meal. It's like super easy for lunch and really delicious. This is great, and I'm gonna watch a YouTube video while I eat because that's what I always do. Very aware of all the ingredients I'm missing, but this is still like just as yummy, and yeah. My actual favorite cookies ever.
This is temporary, maybe we'll last till January. I lost control when you call me baby. Go down that road, you know you're coming with me. But I chase rainy days, oh I love the way it tastes. On the mattress where I feel safe, the look of bliss on your face. It's the memory from February. I lost control when you call me baby. If I go down this road, you know you're coming with me.
Okay, dinner is done and it is delicious. You've probably seen this go viral on Food Talk a few months ago. It's the Gigi Hadid vodka pasta that she posted on her story, and it's really, really good. I didn't use vodka because I don't have any. A brief intermission to welcome you to my favorite jewelry combos at the moment. I've been really into these necklace silhouettes with a single larger charm in the front. It's just so pretty to me. And I also like the look of stacking rings with charms now, and that horseshoe really has a special place in my heart for some reason. And last but not least, these are my go-to charm bracelets right now, and I love that they really just match me as a whole. Alright, that's the end of me talking about my latest jewelry obsession. Love you guys. Okay, I just put the food away and cleaned up the kitchen a little bit, but do you guys want to see what I got from the farmer's market? Okay, I'm back. So there's like this cute little tent. It was run by this nice woman who hand makes these like macrame plant holders, and she says that she sources sustainable materials, and she gets those materials from women-owned businesses. I got this burnt orange plant hanger, and I just thought it was so cute. This is like a wooden ring, and look at how huge. I can put like the most ginormous plant in here ever. This is like, I've been wanting to make the apartment more colorful because it's very like white at the moment, because I noticed I really gravitate towards white. And that's fine and dandy, but I need to work on like incorporating more color in my space, and I thought this was a great start. Her shop is called Simple Boutique, and her name is Amanda Decker. She had literally so many colors. I felt so bad. I was standing in front of her for so long because I'm so indecisive. It's my Libra moon. Anyways, if you guys want one, her shop is called Simple_Boutique, and it's spelled like this. It's UL instead of LE. So yeah. I also got this cute little plant, and I'm gonna repot her in the pot where my previous tiny plant lived in my last video. Remember I told you that she died tragically? If you want an up close view, she's not perfect, but she's mine. So yeah, that's all I got, and now I'm just gonna go do some work in my office until my body is ready for dessert, because I have to have dessert every single night and midday because it's just my thing. Also, I cut my nails. Look at these bad boys. Oh my gosh. I made them super short and rounded because I saw some girl on Pinterest have like absolutely no nails, like even shorter than this, and I was like, I dig that a lot. I'm really digging it. Short nails. I think I just have like a really big itch I need to scratch to like change my appearance, and I've been thinking about like tattoos and getting a nose piercing again, even though my body rejected it. But for some reason I'm like self-sabotaging and I want to try again. I don't know why I'm rambling to you right now. I miss you and I like to talk for funsies.